can't wait to go in. Hey, I have the invitation.
Let me stop you right there. Gotta check what the scanner says.
Is this really necessary?
0%! No way you're going in! Imposter!
Does she need saving? I strongly think so.
Whoa, my head. Huh? It's you!
Yep, but don't get too excited. We have lots to do. Your turn, Z. So here's the plan. We're gonna make you our RUMI. We will start with your face, teeth, pimples, cheeks.
Oh.
Phew, that's a lot of work, really. And then…
Aha!
Ta-da! So, let's begin. I trust your plan, girl.
Should I be afraid?
Yeah.
Take this.
Got it.
Trust me, this is my favorite flavor. Now get those chin muscles working.
Blech. Yikes.
Okay, hold steady.
Z, a little help?
Ready and steady.
Let's do it.
Ouch. Look, it worked. Whoa. Okay, girl. Moving on. So, what's next? Well, teeth checked. Next, pimples.
Ugh, the worst.
I'm ready.
I'm not… I know just what you need. How is this going to help? Ha! Hold your breath.
Bloop, 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 bloop. Wow, this is magic.
Let's get rid of that. Much better.
Wow.
I have an idea. Glitter is always a good choice.
How'd I look?
Not as I expected. Oopsie.
Hey! I didn't sign up for this!
But… oh no. It's no biggie.
Wait!
Don't worry.
Phew.
Never again. Okay, I got the right one here. Here comes the makeup dust.
This is the most glamorous version of me, like, ever.
We did it! A golden transformation! But we're not even close to being done yet.
Whoa!
To the salon! Let me take a closer look at your hair. So dry. And definitely the wrong color. How about…
No!
this looks wrong. Maybe…
So 80s.
Nope.
Cruella would be jealous.
Nuh-uh.
Wow.
Purple is your color. I call this shade the Soda Pop Purple. Mwah! Hair, check. We're getting there. Yay!
Huh?
The tail must go.
But how?
Oh, here's the answer to that problem.
I can't…
It might slightly hurt. Didn't think we would need this much. Are you ready?
Nope! Ouch!
Phew, this is gonna take a while. We did what we had to. Now you walk!
Whoa, this feels weird. Hey, don't look!
Don't worry! Now it's time for a fit check for your napalm era.
Wow.
Let's get you into some chic clothes.
I look like Sherlock Holmes. Yikes.
No! This is not her color!
No pee.
Maybe this?
Wow.
Perfect! I kept the best for last.
I feel like I can take over the entire monster world in this fit.
Yeah, girl! That's the spirit! And with that, we've completed everything. Let's do this! Not so fast. You still need to learn the choreography.
Slower, please. I can't keep up. Ouch! Wait, to the left or right?
Just copy our moves. It's easy. Stop! You're ruining the whole routine. Wait, maybe we should try a new teaching approach. Come on.
Well, this looks fun, to be honest. I will try my best.
You got this.
Left foot back, right foot back. Now I add the hands.
Go, go, go!
I think I'm finally getting it! Yay! I win!
Bravo! I knew you had it in you.
Wow, what's that? Is this really for me?
You're one of us now.
I'm a Huntrix. Let's hunt some monsters!
Hold on.
What now?
Your training is not over. Catch! Time to test your sword skills.
All those years of playing Fruit Ninja weren't for nothing. Phew!
Impressive. Truly. She's ready. We officially welcome you to the team.
Thank you!
You're done hiding. Now you're shining.
Like I'm born to be! Haha! The party awaits! Ahem.
Am I supposed to know who you are? I gotta check. No wannabe Huntrix allowed.
Huh? What do you mean? But why?
Sing your heart out. We've got your back. Always.
Let's do this.
Shut up and play.
Huh? Okay. Whoa, I like the sound of that.
You came at a bad time. But you just crossed the line. You want to get wild? Okay, I'll show you wild. Knocking you out like a lullaby. Hear that sound ringing in your mind?
Yeah! Yeah!
Better sit down for the show. 'Cause I'm gonna show you how it's done, done, done.
Huntrix, don't miss.
How it's done, done, done.
And the big applause.
Phew! We were incredible.
Yeah!
Okay, you can go in.
Yes! Finally!
Let's party!
Wow, I'm so ready to have some fun after all that.
It's gonna be a long day. Huh? Wow! She's here! The queen has arrived! Hey, you! Me? Hi! Wait for me! Always. That was embarrassing. So, walk me to class. Aren't you forgetting something? What? Oops. Hey, dearie. Sorry, I didn't see you there. A little breeze, a fruity mocktail, and zero stress. This is a life. I'm not sweating. I'm melting at this point. Is that air? Real moving air? Oh, yep, I'll come to your rescue. Whoa! Turn that thing to low! Does it feel better? Not the protein I want to eat. Oops. That was intense. Oh boy. I'm sorry. I know how to help. Here, use this. Wow! Finally! My very own sun shield. Glad that worked. Oh, hey! Oh no, my fan stopped working! I'm too fabulous to sweat! Huh? It's my turn to help! Okay, I'll just give this back. This might do the trick. I wouldn't be so sure about that. Oh, definitely not. Aha! I spy with my little eye one oversized umbrella for one overheated diva. He's still sleeping like a baby. Come on, I'm just borrowing it for a friend in need. Whew, this was heavy. Wow, thanks. This really saved the day. Yay! Both of us have our sunbrellas now. It's time to chillax.
Couldn't agree more.
Yay! Whew. May the fastest win. Which, let's be real, is obviously me.
Okay, get ready to race.
Don't trip on all that confidence. Huh? Ready to lose to someone half your size?
3,
Let's do this!
2.
This'll be a piece of cake.
1. Go!
Power walk mode activated. I'm serving looks, not just laps. My legs are moving, but the finish line isn't! I'm basically winning in slow motion. Ready for my trophy! Yay! Huh? Can anyone see where she is? Huh? Is this a race or a survival test? This must be what hiking feels like. I feel so bad for her. Hey, this is a friendly competition anyway. Just watch my plan in motion. Ruby who? I'm a beggar now. Good sir, would you help a girl in need? 1 little coin is all I ask. Please, just 1.
Ugh, fine. You look desperate.
Yay! Thanks! 1 good deed coming right up. For the fiercest little racer I know. Almost there! And yay! You broke the record! Don't lie to me! I made a fool out of myself! Actually, you won! Here's your medal. What? Really? How? Don't answer that! I'll take the win! Woo! Let's hear it for our champion! Ooh, you know what? The champ needs chips immediately. Let's get snacking. Yum! Ugh, not again! It's like the flies have a vendetta against me! Go away! Who? Me? No, the flies. They really like you, huh? How come you're not bothered? I'll get that for ya! Hi-ya! Huh? What the? Oops. Sorry. But I got rid of the fly. Well, not really. It's on your cheek now. Huh? Uh-oh. Are you okay? Ugh. Yeah. Thanks, I guess. No worries. I'll do it again if I see another one. Maybe don't. Hey! How was your weekend? I went to the mall. I went to the hair salon. They gave me this. Achoo! Achoo! Stop spraying! Why? It's achoo! Triggering! Achoo! Ah, your allergies! I'm terribly sorry. Whoa! Ugh. Thanks. Yikes. Achoo! No! I can't believe this is happening! Oh, my bad. I'm so sorry. Here, another napkin. Ugh, my day is officially ruined at this point. I feel so bad. I hate exam days. I know this one. I can't remember anything. I'm so gonna fail this class. And now I don't even have a pencil to write with. My pencil gave up on me, too. Huh? Looks like she studied well. I'm acing this test. Psst. Got a spare pencil? Here. Whoa! How am I supposed to write with that? It's the size of my head. But thanks anyway. Ugh, it's so heavy, too. I can't control it. Whoa! Ouch! Huh? She does this all the time. Hey! It's not my fault your stuff is extra, extra large! Anyway, no biggie. How to help? Oh, I know. I'll make colored pencils for her. Using my tall girl toothpicks, of course. This set will be the perfect size. Hey, I got you something. They're so cute.
Wow! Thank you! You just saved my exam! Turns out I knew the answers all along. Here! I'm ready to get my grade! Ooh! I passed, right? An F? This has to be a typo! No! Whoa! Even my pencil couldn't handle that scream. Oops. Oh no. Can't let her fail because of me. Aha! Light bulb moment. This cutie pencil will surely cheer her up. And is so soft and squishy. I call her Honey Bunny. Ready to meet your new owner? I can't see it. Aw, it's adorable. Let's just hope it helps me pass with an A. Thank you so much. My pleasure. Ugh, so itchy. Are those snacks? Yep, for you. I don't want them. It's strawberry chocolate. Fine, I'll take a bite. Or two, or three. I knew this was your favorite flavor. Can't believe I almost said no to a giant donut. So good. Yep. Huh? What's that? Ugh, is the couch haunted? What's wrong? Earthquake? Nope. Just your phone. This thing's basically a flat-screen TV. Oh, thanks. Hey, what's up? Whoa! A plot twist! Uh-huh. I see. I'm trying to talk here. Ugh, fine. Look! They're gonna kiss! I'm putting you on a timeout. Huh? Awesome! Thank you! Phew. Where were we?